What's up, guys? It is Wavy Spice here, and today I'm coming to you guys with a brand new video. If you're new to my channel, definitely do not forget to subscribe, join the Spice gang, and become a Spice girl. We have a lot of fun over here. You can expect anything from fashion and beauty all the way to lifestyle. So I really hope you guys go ahead and click that big red subscribe button and join the gang. I don't know about you guys, but in VA, the weather has been kind of flippy floppy. So like, it's been really warm these last couple of days. So it got me really in the spring mode, even though now it's getting a little bit back cold, but that's VA weather for you. So this is going to be a spring look for you guys, and I just decided to do like this aquamarine look with a pretty peachy lippy. And yeah, guys, I kind of talked through this video, so something a little bit different than what I normally do. I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces. I'm gonna be wearing the Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade Golden, Deep Golden. So I just did my usual routine for my face. I started off with my concealer, which is Fawn. Then I went ahead and set with my Sacha Buttercup powder. So I also went ahead in with this bronzer, and I did see y'all's recommendations for the Black Radiance bronzer, but when I went to my Walmart, unfortunately they didn't even have it. All they had was the cream contour, because I live in the hood, so the Walmart selection is kind of crappy. I'm definitely still gonna try that one. I'm just still using this one for now. I think I'm gonna do like a green look today, because I'm trying to just do more color and keep things fresh and new. Of course, I'm putting on this base, which is just the Maybelline Master Studio Concealer. It's really thick, so I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this green from Juice. I feel like this might be a little too blue, but we're just gonna go with it. Me at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the end. Made me feel like nothing is like what I'm living. Now I'm about to go in with a dark green. This is the Jacqueline palette, and I'm about to use this tiny brush. Baby, where would I be? Cause it feels like a CPO. Cause it feels like a CPO. Baby, love again, I know this I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it. No one understands it, no. You're the only one who can fight it. So, darling, I don't
Everything I've done, you know. I really never had a home. Damn, I really hate feeling alone. Maybe you can make me feel at home, baby. Hate feeling alone, baby.
Okay, so now I'm just going back in and placing this more deeper in the outer crease after I blend it out. And now I'm about to go in and cut my crease off. The brush that I used to do this is a Morphe M21, and this is really a game changer. Now I'm about to go into my Dose of Colors Sarai palette, and I'm gonna use that. And I'm gonna use this Ruby Kisses white liner, but instead of applying it straight with the felt tip, I'm gonna put it on my hand and apply with a brush. And this brush is the Morphe M562. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lashes and liner off camera. Alright guys, so I've got my lashes and liner on, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lash. So I'm gonna go back in with that greenish blue color. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my highlight, and I'm gonna be using the Molten Gold by Maybelline. Okay, and I also kind of want to like turn it up one more notch, and I want to go ahead and put this. Of course, I'm starting off with my Holy Grail, my chestnut. Alright, so I pop my hair on, and I'm gonna just go ahead and put like some big curls in here. I want to do like a textured type of look.
Tell me I'm a silent baby, where would I be without your love beside me? Oh, baby, where would I be? CPR, 'cause it feels like CPR.